counter is clear, more space. But I'm happy na mas nagiging organized na siya each day there. And I'm also thinking of parang moving some things around. So, after nito, kami ay pupunta sa... Saan tayo punta?
Sa bahay mo.
Welcome to another vlog. I don't know if nakapag-intro na ako, pero kung hindi pa, hello, welcome to another vlog. Yung mga footage na nakita nyo kanina pa yun umaga. So, medyo nakapag-ayos-ayos na ako sa aming library and later I'll show you. Pero meron pa ako mga ibang ayusin na hindi ko pa tapos. But I'm happy na mas nagiging organized na siya each day. So, there. And I'm also thinking of parang moving some things around. I-move ko yung pinaka-computer table na nasa gitna. Parang I want more space in the middle. But we'll see. I'm also done editing a vlog. So, I'll have a new video today. Finally, because 3 days na yata ako walang video. And what else? Ah, yeah. I'm working on something for a friend and it's another writing job. So, I do kasi freelance writing work and I'm also done with the rough draft of that article or script na I am supposed to do. So, yes, yay, that's good. And now, I'm just going to take a bath. So, yes. Di pa ako naliligo. So, yeah. Okay, be right back. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to declutter some of Ark's clothes because he has a lot. And meron dito mga hindi naman niya nasusuot. Also, I'm going to fix this drawer right here because ito yung naging parang extension drawer niya. So, I'm going to organize his drawers. Magiging 2 layers na yung drawers niya instead of just 1. So, yeah. So, yeah, I'm gonna share with you how I'll do it. Hey everyone! Hey guys, it's market day again. I'm with...
Hello!
And the two are there running. So, after nito, kami ay pupunta sa... Saan tayo pupunta?
Sa bahay mo.
Bahay nila mami at dad.
Yeah.
Because, ayan ang kanyang birthday celebration.
Yes,
Pero sa
so
Monday pa yung birthday niya. Righty?
Yeah.
Ganda ng buhok natin. Okay, sige. Maya-maya tignan natin kung ano yung mga tinda nila.
Okay. Goodbye na. Bye-bye.
Okay. Ano, I didn't see. What is he doing?
We were coming close, and what he did was he made it every time we go away from the water. He'll put it where we are.
What? Nababasa na kayo. Ikaw. Hi, AB. AB is the only one with the potential to become a successful vlogger.
Yeah. Hello. No, not really. Not really.
Yes, you are. Because you're not shy.
Oh,
Well, sometimes you are.
ang ginagawa, nakita ko na ang ginagawa ko lang palagi sa vlog is nagdidila.
Yes. Vlog.
I wanna. Hey, taste it.
The baba is asleep. Are you guys sleeping? Wait lang.
Lemonade so sour.
Ha?
She squeezed the lemonade so sour.
Kailangan na ni Art mag-change ng diaper.
Something weird.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Welcome to another vlog. So it's quite late in the day. I think mga 3 o'clock na, but So it's kind of a late start for the vlog, but I had some clips kanina. So naisip ko itutuloy-tuloy ko na lang siya. Now I'm home alone with the baba over there eating his favorite piyaya. Anyway, last night, I had fun sa birthday celebration ng aking daddy. So, I had fun with my sister and pinsan ko, yung mga pinsan ko, ganyan. Pero mga, I don't know, past 10, umuwi na rin kami, and then, yan, hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog because full na yung memory card ko, and low-bat na ako. Although, dala ko yung charger, wala rin naman ako memory. So, paano na, besh? So, yeah, I had fun. Pero alam niyo yun, minsan, parang, I don't know if it's a mommy thing. Parang, sometimes, I don't know why, but whenever I had too much fun, feeling ko, parang hindi ko alam kung tama ba yun na I had too much fun. Hindi gets niyo ba? Basta parang, it's like mayroong feeling sa akin na syempre natuwa ako because I had fun. Pero, mayroon ding part of me na parang asking, I don't know, asking God or na parang meron akong thoughts na okay lang ba to? Is it okay for me to have this much fun? Gets mo? Tapos the next day, parang makapaisip ka, parang hindi ko yata deserve yung ganun fun, ganun. I don't know. Ewan ko kung meron sa inyo nakaka-experience din ng ganito. But I don't know if it's a mommy thing na masyado tayong bothered na, or ako lang to, baka nga ako lang ano. So, sige, stop ko na yung aking sinasabi. Dahil baka I'm not making any sense. But if any one of you experiences that as well, let me know in the comment section because, syempre, okay din na parang alam mo na may nakakaintindi sa'yo. That's mo. So, ayun, yeah. So, today, I'm gonna show you, kasi ginamit na ni Omar yung iba. Pero, so I bought some things yesterday sa Organic Market. Mag-haul dapat ako today, pero ginamit na ni Omar yung mga ibang bagay na binili namin. So, papakita ko siya, pero may nakalagay na. So, So, we bought this, wooden soap holder or whatever. Basta lagayan siya ng soap. Yan. Meron pang isa na nandito. Sorry for the dishes. Pero ayan. Ito, ang cute nito. Parang maple shape siya. So, ayan. Got those for only 100 pesos each. And gawa siya sa coconut shell. So, anyway, pabalik ako. Pero, ayan. So, kakabili lang to ni Omar kanina sa Sunday market. So, organic din siya. We have red rice and we have brown rice. Mas gusto namin tong brown rice kaysa sa red rice, pero carry. So, ayan. Meron na kaming stock for maybe a week or 2 weeks. And then, he also bought tong mga to. So, merong cherry tomatoes, lettuce. Yan. Tapos, nagpabili ako sa kanya ng maraming patatas. Kasi, na-discover namin, kasi last week gumawa ako nagtry ako gumawa ng french fries and nagustuhan ng mga bata. So, they are requesting that I do more. So, sa mga susunod na araw, yun yung memoryandahin namin. Yeah, and ito pala. This one, I got this also from sa my Saturday market yesterday. And it's a super ganda ng pagkakagawa na tray with real wood sa ibaba. So, ayan. Pwede itong lagyan ng linens, pwedeng lagyan ng mga accessories, if you need to organize things na gusto mo isang lagayan, isang bitbitan lang like this. Ayan, may hawakan siya. So, ang ganda. Got this for 500. So, 500 pesos siya. Pero, I think na-discountan kami. Mga 450 yata. Basta, ayan. Ang ganda. So, nice. And, I actually have already an idea where I wanna put this. Pero, titingnan ko pa. Since bumili rin nga ako, diba, sa DB Mart the other day, nung parang mga waterproof na organizers. So, we'll see. But I'm really hoping to organize more things in the coming days. Kasi parang yun na yung... Wala ko sa... Okay. Kasi parang yun yung aking goal before kami umalis for Dubai. Na sana maayos ko yung mga dapat maayos dito. So yeah, yun lang. So I'm gonna share with you guys kung ano yung mga binili ko sa organic... Sa Saturday market and sa organic market. And yeah. I guess that's it for now. So, I'll try to be back. House is tidied up. Ayan, nakapagligpit na ako. Ark is currently taking his nap. And, yeah. Also, naayos ko na rin yung mga pinamili ni Omar ng mga gulay. So, ito ilalagay ko pala sa ref. Yeah. So, actually, isa sa mga hindi ko talaga bet is na nilalagay ko lahat ng bote ni Art dito kasi parang messy niya tingnan, diba? So, iisipan ko pa kung saan ko yan mas better siya ilagay. I'm thinking here kasi ito naman wala naman talaga nakalagay dito before, pero itong mga microwavable, I have to organize that here in this cabinet or here. And yeah, the rest of the stuff there pwede naman niya i-move, ilipat. So, yun. But for now, hinday ko lang na medyo lumambot tong cassava cake at ako'y magmimerienda with my coffee. So, yeah. Yan lang muna. Guys, so just a quick update. I started fixing this section because I really want to get rid of the bottles from here. Dito ko sila ilalagay. So ito yung induction namin na stove, pero hindi namin to ginagamit talaga. Ginagamit lang namin siya kapag naubusan kami ng gas tapos hindi kagad makakapagpa-deliver. So yan, parang kumbaga pang emergency lang siya. So pwede talaga siyang patungan. Kaya ayan, dito ko siya ipapatong. So ililinisin ko na siya, pupunasan ko, and then I'm gonna transfer the bottles. Quick update. So, ayan. Counter is clear. More space. As you can see. And, tinanggal ko na yung, may mga tinanggal din ako dito. This is actually my propagation corner where I usually put plants that I'm currently propagating. Ito, I'm not actually propagating this, but this was my, or this is my first philodendron micans na namatay siya. So, trying to keep that alive there. And then, ayan. So, nandito na yung mga bote. There. So, I'm quite happy with this. And, I don't know if I've mentioned this already, but my next project here sa kitchen that I really want to organize is this. This is my, used to be my baking, what do you call this? Baking supplies, baking whatever. All the things that I need for baking. So, nandyan siya. Kasi before, I used to bake often, but I have not baked in quite a while. So, naisip ko, pwede kong tanggalin yung mga yun doon. Since hindi ko naman sila nagagamit, hindi na sila kailangan nasa shelf na sobrang accessible. Right? So, okay, arc's moving, so I'll just be back.